Welcome to promptparts.co.nz, New Zealand's largest online marine parts store. I'm looking for a new prop for my outboard motor, so I've gone to promptparts.co.nz, landed on the web page, and now I'm going to the propeller lookup table. So you notice here there's quite a few fields to fill out. First up, it's going to select the Mercury outboard motor. Then I move across to the horsepower. So in this case, mine's a 90 horsepower Mercury outboard. Right, model, it is a 90 horsepower Optimax. As you'll see in here, our table covers all the 90 horsepower range for Mercury, and now we're looking at the model year. It's 2005 or newer. Now I'm replacing an existing prop I've got due to some damage, and it's a 17-inch pitch propeller, so I'm going to select 17. Right, material, this is the type of material used in construction, so we have two choices, aluminium or stainless steel. In this instance, I'm going with the stainless steel option. Rotation. There are props available in either left or right hand rotation, but for a 90 Optimax there is only the standard right hand rotation. Now we move across to the propeller blades. We only need 3 blades, and the diameter and series we're not going to worry about. Right, you'll see as we scroll down here, it's delivered us the 3 different props suitable for our engine. The 943113319 is the prop that I'm after, so I've added it to cart, and you'll notice in the green box up the top it just verifies it's in the cart. So let's go to our cart. Right, once again check, we've got our prop, we've got our hub kit, and now we can look at how we want to get it sent to us or collect it. And we're going to take the courier option this time. Right, all our details are right, so let's check out. Okay, verify your name, details, information is correct. Any delivery notes or instructions, in this case I want it delivered to my front door. I'll just type this in here. Okay, and now we go to Pay Now. We have a couple of options available for Pay Now, one by credit card, or we can use the Afterpay option. That's how easy it is to find a prop to suit your outboard or stern drive on the Prompt Parts website.